I'm going to go through a couple of examples on how to add fractions. So if you remember, the easiest way to do these is to actually write them vertically. 2/5 plus 3/10. Now, I need to find common denominators to be able to make equivalent fractions. Well, 10 is going to be my common denominator here. Take a look. What am I needing to multiply to go from 5 to 10? That's 2. So multiply by the giant 1, or 2 and 2 on top and bottom to get 4/10 here. This is just multiply by 1, so I'm going to get 3. Now I can just add because I have equivalent fractions. 4 plus 3 is 7. 10 is my common denominator, so that's going to be my final answer. You need to remember that when you get to your final answer, you have to make sure that you check to see if you can reduce or not. Now, if I move on to taking a look at mixed numbers, I'm going to again write them vertically. 3 2/3 plus 2 1/4. And again, find my common denominator. Sometimes the easiest thing to do is multiply these together if you can't immediately see what the common denominator is. And even if I did this, or if I knew right away, 12 is my common denominator. Come back up to our top fraction. 3 times what number is 12? 4. So 2 times 4 is 8. Coming down here, 4 times 3 is 12. So I'm going to multiply by the numerator by 3 as well to get 3. Add. 8 plus 3 is 11, with 12 as my common denominator. And this time, since I have whole numbers, I need to make sure I add them together. 3 plus 2 is 5. And that would be the answer to my question here. Use this to just refresh yourself on how to add fractions.